Hi, Dave Cox here from RV City. Just want to give you a quick tour of this 2020 Jayco Pinnacle that we just got in. It's a beautiful unit, 42 feet long, 14,600 pounds. Let's have a quick look at the outside and then we'll take you for a tour of the inside. Inside we go. This is the 38 FLWS. It comes in a lot of different floor plans. This is one of my favorites because as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this beautiful living area. You've got two couches in here, a floating ottoman. Both couches fold out into beds, twin beds. You've got a 40-inch fireplace down there below, electric fireplace. Beautiful TV entertainment area. This TV actually sinks down into the cabinet, allowing you view of the outside window. Beautiful LED lighting along the edges. This trailer is beautifully lit. The ceiling, I'm 6'1", and there's still a good 5 inches above me. This chair right here is a massage chair, believe it or not. Down in the galley, we've got plenty of area for preparing meals. You've got lots of storage. You've got an 18 cubic foot fridge, gas stove, your oven, overhead microwave. Again, more storage down here. We take a look over to the pantry. Stainless steel sink. This is your dinette area, which actually folds out into, you can make it bigger to seat 4. Moving down into the washroom, you've got LED lit corners around the sink underneath. Here's your toilet down there. Full-size fiberglass shower with a sunroof at the top. Inside is a full-size king bed with plenty of room to walk around. Lots of storage above again. Those are deep cabinets. And turning this way, near the end of your bed, you've got a dresser with lots of storage and an entertainment area up top. We're just north of Edmonton. Come on in, pay us a visit, and thanks very much for watching.